Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's end of the year. 2023 is flying by. So I just wanted to say Happy New Year. Wish you the best. And for the past Christmas, I wish everyone had a pleasant Christmas. I wish for wellness, happiness for 2024. And I will see you next year. So Happy New Year. Wish you the best. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's very important. And hit that notification button and thumbs up. I will see you in my next future videos. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Love you. Bye-bye.